Even after seeing a place or event for the first time, sometimes you might have felt that you have been there before, or you have experienced that moment before. But when you try to remember that moment, you can't recall that event at all. Actually, you are not alone in this world who is facing this problem. Around 90% of the population in the world have encountered this phenomena, deja vu, a strange feeling that you might have experienced. But why this thing happens? Is there some connection of deja vu with the parallel universe? Is this thing even real or a dream come true? Actually, the term deja vu was first coined by French philosopher Émile Boirac in 1976, which when translated to English means already seen, in which a person feels that he has already experienced present situation or a place, whereas in reality, it is very unlikely that the thing have happened before. By the end of 19th century, this term started coming into the mainstream discussion, as well as scientific studies were done on this condition. It was being associated with many possibilities like parallel universe, dreams turning into reality. Psychoanalysts linked it with some kind of memory glitch of repeated thoughts, while modern neuroscience relates it to the condition in the temporal lobe of the brain. Study shows that deja vu is seen more in the people with temporal lobe seizures, suggesting a connection between brain's temporal lobe and this phenomena. There are some people who believe that it could be the result of time loop or time distortion. They believe that there is not a straight line in time, but a loop. When we feel deja vu, it can be indication that we are experiencing a specific thing repeatedly. It indicates a gap in the structure of time due to which future and present overlap. But the most interesting thing of these possibilities is that was to connect it with the parallel universe. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku tried to explain deja vu from the principles of quantum mechanics. He believes that deja vu can be a brief connection between our reality and the alternate reality, that is, a parallel universe, a parallel Earth where that event might have already occurred. Michio Kaku tries to explain that when the vibrations of energy of two parallel universes temporarily aligned, then the experiences like deja vu can be triggered. You can also understand it like this. Suppose you have already experienced a specific event in parallel universe. If that universe also aligns with your current reality, then the deja vu happens. In 2014, Michio Kaku published his book The Future of the Mind. In this book, he has discussed the link between parallel reality in detail. He raised the possibility that deja vu could be a multi-dimensional phenomena in which the human brain temporarily accesses the reality of the alternate universe. Could it be the evidence of the parallel universes where our consciousness momentarily, for some time, intersects with the alternate reality? That is why deja vu is also called a glitch in the memory. But think, if we can convert this glitch into a regular process, then we can know the future. You will know the outcome of any event beforehand. Just think what you can do if this thing can be made possible. Another popular explanation of deja vu is the dream-based theory, which suggests that experiences of deja vu can be connected to our dreams. According to this theory, deja vu occurs when we have seen a thing or a situation in our dreams, and when that situation occurs in real life, we feel a sense of familiarity. For example, if we see a specific location or a person in our dreams and later in the real life that situation comes true, then we can say the reality aligned with our dreams and we have experienced a deja vu. A part of what we dream gets stored in our subconscious mind, and when something similar to that dream happens in real life, all these memories are triggered and we feel deja vu. Deja vu is most common in young adults and tends to decrease with age. It often happens during moments of stress, fatigue, or when visiting new places. Interestingly, some researchers suggest that people with more active imaginations or those who frequently travel are more prone to experiencing deja vu. While deja vu is completely harmless, It can be sometimes be a symptom of underlying health condition such as epilepsy and migraines. If you are experiencing deja vu frequently and it is accompanied by other symptoms like confusion, dizziness, it is important to consult a doctor. Blindly following deja vu can be also dangerous sometimes, like a Brazilian cyclist who was racing in an off-road cycling competition experienced a deja vu during the dangerous downhill section. He felt that he had already navigated the same route before and believed he knew the faster shortcut through that dense forest. He continued on this way and unfortunately he fell from his bike and was badly injured, breaking his collarbone. Though he survived this accident but ended his racing career. But many deja vu memories can be turned out to be positive. There are numerous examples in the battlefields where soldiers claim that they have followed deja vu memories and avoided bullets, mines, and bombs. Like in Vietnam War, Lieutenant Carter, who along with his team avoided 2 deadly booby traps, as if he already knew the locations of these impossible to identify traps. He told that he had a vivid memory of the route as if he has already been there earlier. In these two examples, we can see that deja vu is a fascinating experience, but it is important to balance intuition with reality. Don't let deja vu control your decisions. Deja vu may not be just a psychological or a neurological glitch. It may be a mythical gate that takes us to the deeper layer of time and reality. Theories like time loops, parallel universe make this phenomena a mind-bending mystery that is still a lot to be researched about. Scientists and researchers are day by day trying to understand the phenomena of deja vu, find more about deja vu, and even find out the ways how can we connect our memories with deja vu and predict the future. But until then, we can say deja vu is a stubborn brain error. If you also had a deja vu sometimes, it is completely normal. Even people with greatest minds had deja vu, like Nikola Tesla, who often claimed having vivid mental images and designs about his inventions in his mind, which he is going to build in future. He used to visualize it, final design in detail, in his mind before even completing the invention. So deja vu is completely normal phenomena to have sometimes, especially when you are tired and in stress. But if you are having too many deja vus, then it is not normal. It can be symptoms of underlying mental illness. You should consult a doctor for this. But until now, did you feel that you have already watched this video before and all the things happening around you felt like the way it had already happened before? Then right now you are experiencing deja vu, which reminds us again how mysterious and complex our minds truly are. So see you again in another video with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.